Hi, this is Luke from Petrol Plus. Today we have a 2012 Hyundai ix35, stock number 6227. This ran from 11th 2009 to the 8th 2013. It has a G4KE 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a G4KE 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 17-inch factory alloy made good tyre. Left front door mirror. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy made good tyre. Left rear tail light. Rear tailgate, no dents. Right rear tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy made good tyre. Right rear door, no dents. Right front guard, no dents. Right front 17-inch factory alloy made good tyre. Right front door, 1 dent. Right front door mirror. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Centre console lid. Automatic gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory single stack stereo. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light with sunglass holder. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel. Instrument cluster.